So I will start by creating new Angular application. I will call it Iota. Yes, I will use CSS. I will come back when this finishes. So the Angular CLI just finished creating the application. So I will cd into it and install some of the required packages that we will use. So the first one is the Nes.css, the CSS framework you will use. So just npm install Nes. Then we need to install npm server. My internet connection is slow, so I'll just show you the things we will install here. You can install them yourself. I will put the link in the description. So file server and UUID, and I will be using Bootstrap 4 grid, which is just the utility classes and the grid classes taken out from Bootstrap 4. I like to use them. I'm very comfortable with them. And I will use, so I said in the previous video I will be using Particles.js. So there is someone on GitHub created this package which integrates Particles.js as a component, as an Angular component, which makes it a little bit easier to deal with. So I'll be installing that as well. Then I will create a GitHub repo and push everything there. So I finished installed all the packages I mentioned, and now I will create a new repository. I will call it Iota 2. And I will push everything here as an initial commit. Then I will create a different branch. So a branch will hold the code, which I will call code, and another branch which will hold the compiled code, which then we will converting into GitHub pages. So this page shows up after I created the repo. Since the CLI initialized a Git repo, I will just change the origin and push. Okay. We finished pushing the code. I'll just refresh the page. We should see the code. I will create a new branch. I will call it code. It will be created from master branch. Okay. Now type git fetch. So yeah, now Git knows there is a new branch called code. I will check into it. So all the code we will write will be in the branch called code, and the compiled code will be put into masters, as I said before. I think that's it for this video. The next one I will start coding an initial structure. I will try to keep them short. Okay.